Hey everyone, welcome to Wellness Life channel. Today we're talking about hyaluronic acid, a superstar ingredient in skincare. If you want to know how it works, its benefits and how to use it, keep watching. So, what is hyaluronic acid? It's a naturally occurring substance in our bodies that keeps our tissues hydrated. In skincare, it's known for its incredible moisture-binding properties. Here's the magic. Hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. When you apply it to your skin, it pulls moisture from the environment into your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. This deep hydration helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and makes your skin look smooth and youthful. So what can hyaluronic acid do for you? Intense hydration. It makes your skin feel super hydrated and fresh, smooths fine lines. It helps minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles, improves texture. Your skin will feel softer and smoother, boosts elasticity, helps maintain your skin's firmness and elasticity, soothes skin. It can calm and soothe irritated skin. To use hyaluronic acid, follow these steps. First, cleanse your skin. Start with a clean face. Next, apply a few drops to your slightly damp skin. Finally, follow with a moisturizer to lock in the hydration with your favorite moisturizer. After using hyaluronic acid, expect your skin to feel more hydrated and look more radiant. However, some might experience minor irritation, like redness or itching if you have sensitive skin. Rarely, it might feel a bit drying if not used with a moisturizer. A few precautions. Always do a patch test before full use. Opt for reputable brands suited to your skin type. For specific concerns, consult a dermatologist. Just a reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and isn't a substitute for professional medical advice. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your questions or experiences, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care and stay glowing.